In this video, I'll show you where to get promo codes for Turkish Airlines. If you find this video useful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump into this video. All right, I'm going to open up any web browser. I'm going to go to Google, and now in the Google search bar, I'm going to type in Turkish Airlines promo codes. And once I've done that, I'm going to hit enter. And then you'll see on the Google search results, you got multiple third-party sites offering discount codes or promo codes. So we got Coupon Follow, which is a great site. We Thrifty, another good site, worth the penny. So you got all the big players here that are offering promo or discount codes. So you can check out any one of these. So for this demonstration, I'm going to go to couponfollow.com, Turkish Airline discount codes and coupons. So if I scroll down here, you can see I've got save 20% off Turkish Airlines, another all 20%, $30 off, 25% off. So you can check out any one of these deals. So what you want to do is just click into the deal. So for this demonstration, I'm going to do the official Turkish airline promo code 20%, and it's even verified here. And to use this code, simply click on it. So copy the code and now paste that code at Turkish Airlines to activate your 20% off. These codes on these sites do change daily or weekly, by the way, so just come back daily and weekly to get different offers.